How about some lacrosse action? Non-conference matchup, Perrysburg at St. Francis. Jackets looking to get back on track after their first loss of the year. They're 5-1, up 1 in the first. Ethan Johnson on the run. It's a 2-goal lead ahead to Josh Carter, senior captain, increasing that advantage. It's not enough, though. Second quarter, Brody May starts the rush. Steven Spear goes behind the back. A beauty to go into the break. Up 3-1, but that's how, it's not important how you start, it's how you finish. Knights fighting back. Jack Stough fights his way to the goal mouth, buries the equalizer, tied at 4, heading to the fourth. Stough already has 2, looking for the hat trick, the lead, and the victory. Knights get it 8-4. Stough stepping up down the stretch.
I'm feeling pretty good. Yeah, we had a good game as a team, and I played for these guys in middle school, and I wanted to win very much. We knew we had it. We just came off spring break. We just had to find ourselves as a team and put in some goals.
With more on the lacrosse game, we turn to Kevin Peel and Matt Crandall.
Perrysburg coming in at 5-1 against St. Francis, but coming off a loss to Strongsville, and they seemed to play the way they wanted in the first half. Had a couple 2-goal leads in this game and led 3-1 at the break, Matt, but things changed in the second half.
Perrysburg, yeah, 5-0 to start the season. Go to Strongsville last Saturday, lose that game. Drop this one here tonight, a game I thought they were in control of in the first half. It goes to show, Kevin, you have to play both halves. You got to play 4 quarters. St. Francis did that today, especially hot in the fourth quarter with 4 unanswered goals.
Tyler Yeager got the first of those goals for Perrysburg, but in the second half, the turnaround fueled by Jack Stough. He scored 4 in the game, including the goal-ahead goal about halfway through the fourth quarter. He was huge in the middle for them.
Jack Stough, he's a big guy, big player. He played big today. 4 goals for St. Francis. What an outing Stough had today. But I was impressed by Braden Maddez, the goaltender for St. Francis. They had a lot of work in the first half, kept them in this game. St. Francis trailed by 2 goals 3 times in the game, but their goaltender and that tight defense held them in it.
Knights improved to 2-4, Matt, and this is a team that's lost some close games, including to Rocky River in overtime. They played a brutal schedule as they usually do, but to get over the hump in this fashion against Perrysburg, huge, could be turnaround victory for this season.
One game can change anything.
St. Francis and Perrysburg played a great one today. Knights prevail. Back to you.